Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make your own Valentine's Day cards. So let's get started. These are the things you'll need. Hot glue gun, ribbon, heart stickers, and also you're going to need this kind of ribbon. You can get this one at the dollar store. And finally, you'll need blank greeting cards. Let's make this one first. I got these stickers at Walmart. So start off with putting the stickers on top of the card. Like that. Next, just draw lines from the hearts down. Then we are going to put the small stickers on the longer lines, the bottom of the longer lines. I put some larger stickers on the shorter lines and added some more small stickers. Okay, the next thing is to put the ribbon on the bottom of the card. I already pre-measured this one, and for this you're gonna use the hot glue gun. And do the same thing on the back of the card. Okay, you can either leave it like this, or you can put any note in the bottom. And this is the next card we're going to do. Start by putting the ribbon on the card, and I already pre-measured this one as well. You're gonna put the ribbon on top of the card and on the bottom of the card. And I also pre-made this little bow, which we're gonna put right here in the middle of this ribbon. I'm gonna secure it with the hot glue gun. It should look something like that. The next one, we're gonna put this heart cutout right in the middle. And a little foam heart sticker. And there you have it. Now on the bottom you can put any message you want. You can leave it blank. This one I'm gonna leave blank for now. The next one is this one right here. We're gonna start by putting two stickers on top. One on top of the card and one on the bottom of the card. Add 2 foam stickers as well. Should look something like that. And the final step are these letters that I cut out from the jewel ribbon. And we're gonna secure them with the hot glue gun. And the third card is done. And here you have them. 3 beautiful Valentine's Day cards that you can do on your own. Very easy to do. Hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you next time.